Hello and welcome back to another episode of Applied History. We're here today with American Renaissance Nate Sylvia. Hi, Nate.
Hi, Matt. How are you?
Nate, pop quiz. What year was lead deemed illegal?
In this country, 1978.
1978. He's good, folks. He's good. So that means that we stopped using lead paint on houses in 78.
Correct. Yeah.
But I see a lot of houses built in this city before 1978.
Almost every one of them.
Okay. And as a realtor, I know that people literally sign a piece of paper that says, I know that I don't know if there's lead paint in my house.
Right.
So what happens when somebody finds out that they have lead paint in their house?
So we assume every house pre-78 has lead on it.
Yeah.
It's just a safer way to practice.
Yeah.
You can test yourself for lead. We as a company cannot. You have to hire a third-party company to test for it.
Okay.
Once you hire that third party, it's reported to the state.
Okay.
And then you're on their path.
Yeah.
So it's best just to assume it's lead and work in a lead compliant manner.
Okay. So if I'm a single family homeowner, I discover that I have lead.
Which you can with just the little red markers that you put on the paint.
Okay.
And it will turn red if it's lead.
Where do you come in? What do you suggest happens? Does that automatically mean they need American Renaissance or somebody to do an abatement?
Not abatement, but they need someone that's certified to work with lead.
Okay, so it does, and so quickly explain what a full abatement would mean.
So a full abatement would be 100% of the lead paint removed, checked by the state, and then you're signed off with your certificate.
Tens of thousands of dollars.
Hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Not fun.
Right, because you have to do the outside and the inside.
Yeah.
So, yeah, very expensive.
Okay.
Almost cheaper to re-side and re-mold the inside of your house.
Yeah, which you see a lot of people do.
Right.
However, there's another alternative.
There is.
Okay, so what does it mean to be lead certified?
So we take a class. It's an 8-hour class with a test. You have to re-up your cert every 5 years, I believe.
Yeah.
And then we're just giving guidelines on how to proceed, how to work.
So you can still work on a house and make it safe for a family as a lead certified painter.
Correct.
And so what are some of the ways that you go about working on a house that you know has lead, but your job, you've been hired to paint in that house and you want it to be, child friendly and and all of that.
Yeah. So the big thing with lead is the dust. That's how most of the lead is inhaled.
Okay.
So you want to keep the dust down.
Yeah.
When we get here, we set up a tarp. The tarps have to be seamless.
Okay.
They have to be attached to the house. This is kind of a quick mock setup.
Okay.
It has to run out 10 to 15 feet past the perimeter of the house. We need lead caution tape.
Yeah.
Everyone needs to have at least an N95 mask on or better.
Yep.
Any windows need to be shut. They used to make us seal the windows shut with tape, but they've gone back on that.
Yep.
So now we just need windows shut. If you have a storm, even better, shut the storm.
Yeah.
Most of the lead paint comes in through the windowsill. So that's a big one, to get the windowsill clean.
Yeah.
Repainted and dust free.
Okay. And so it seems, if I'm reading between the lines, like there is almost a philosophy of if you can prepare it in place and encapsulate it, and you're obviously going to have to do some scraping and preparation, and it's in that preparation that you're releasing the lead, the dust, it's your toxin in the air.
We're trying to keep a really clean work environment.
Right. Okay.
By putting these down. Any cleanup needs to be with a HEPA vac.
Yep.
Which are a few $100 now. They used to be thousands. Now they've come down.
Yep.
And just keeping it dust free. Everyone on the work site needs. You can't be eating. You can't be drinking. You can't be smoking. They call it the hot zone. Anywhere inside the perimeter.
Yeah.
Once you leave that perimeter, you want to clean off, remove your clothes. They used to mandate us wearing the hazmat suits, the 5X suits.
Yeah.
They've gone back on that, along with sealing off the windows. So Okay. It's getting
So there is a way,
workable.
but it's good for people to know that there are people like American Renaissance who are certified that if they have lead in their house,
it's a really easy certification.
Yeah.
Any painter that doesn't have it's just being lazy.
Okay.
Just go out, do it. Take
There you
the
go.
class,
there you go.
teach your guys how to work.
Cool.
Compliant.
And so it's mainly controlling the area, keeping the dust down,
Keeping
and
the kids safe.
and being certified,
Yeah.
keeping this kid safe. And that's lead paint 101.
That's basically it. Just work safe.
Awesome. This has been a public service announcement. Now you're aware of some of the ways that American Renaissance is able to help you if you have lead paint in your house. Stay tuned next time where we're going to get into some paint stripping, I believe.
Paint removal.
Paint removal.
Chemical remover.
I'm excited. Stay tuned to find out. We'll see you there. Bye.